Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking Boxy Charm because it's one of the best subscription boxes out there. Literally you get 5 full-size products and it's always beauty related, and I love it because if you don't have a lot of makeup, you will collect a lot of makeup with Boxy Charm. I recommend it to everybody. It's only $21. Sometimes one product is way more than $21 and it's just amazing. I seriously love this box. I'm always excited to see the sneak peeks, to trying to see what we're getting next month because I get excited. It's an exciting box. And another subscription that I recommend too, if you don't have a lot of brushes, I recommend Morphe Me because they send 3 to 8 brushes for $20 too. And I literally have collected so many brushes because I'm subscribed to them, and I love that subscription too. Is a great subscription. So those are the 2 that I really tell people to subscribe to because they're always not disappointing, if you know what I mean, because some boxes could be very disappointing. But before I ramble on and on and on, let's get to this look. But before that, please don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell so you guys can get notified when I'm uploading a new video. And thank you, keep on watching. So the first step I'm gonna do is my eyebrows before foundation. A lot of people do them after foundation, but I just prefer to get them done first and then do the rest. And I'm using the dark brown Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil. So to clean up my eyebrows, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills base 2. This is a corrector, and pretty much I just go under like so. So I'm going in with my eyes first, just in case if I have fallout, which is not a big deal. And I'm using MAC Paint Pot and soft ochre. And I'm using Anastasia 18 brush to put that on my lid. And I'm using the Pure Festival palette, and this one looks like this. And let me tell you something that really bothers me is, oops, this. Because look what happened. Stab the palette, but that's okay. This is trash. Okay, now just get a brush, and I'm using my subscription brushes because I get Morphe too. And so I'm using the M441 brush from Morphe, and I'm gonna go with the Hidden Desert eyeshadow, an orangey kind of tone. Okay, and then I'm using Morphe R34, and I'm going in with All Night, and it's a dark brown color. Pretty much stay in the crease. And with Shape Tape, I'm gonna go and pretty much cut crease my eye. Always remember that when you're cutting your crease, don't go in this motion, go down, because that way, because if you're going like this, you're pretty much dragging your eye skin, and then you're gonna have not a perfect like little line. So I learned that little trick because I'm like, why it doesn't come out clean? And it was that. If you feel that it's too cut crease, you could always go in with your crease color and just pretty much soften the color. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get the M224 with some setting spray. Gonna spray that baby. Yes. For the crease, I'm gonna be using Psychedelic. I love wetting this kind of shadows because when they're wet, they just perform better. And I'm gonna see how this 24K Magic works with just a wet brush. I don't know if it will. I may have glitter fall out everywhere later on. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Ico liquid eyeliner, and I like the tip because it looks like the Kat Von D one, which is like a bunch of little hairs, so I like that. And to start it, I'm just going to go from the end like so and soft stroke, so you could get a clean, like pointy eyeliner. And go from the beginning. It's like a triangle at the end, okay? For the inner tear dot, I'm going in with the Summer Haze Artist Couture highlight, and this came in the Boxy Charm, which is great because it's a full size and it's Artist Couture. Like, you can never go wrong with him. Mac Daddy makes bomb loose highlighters, so I'm really happy about this one, and I'm happy that I got Summer Haze because that's the color I was really looking forward to. I'm going in with R41. It's a pencil brush, and again, wet it. It's just to make the pigment like come out and do its thing, you know? Do you see that? Yes. Yes, I see it. I see it. You know what? I'm gonna put some on my brow bone. I'm gonna prime. I'm using No Pore Blend Primer. Touch It So. This, I got it in a Boxy Charm. 1 pound should be enough for the T-zone. With my Bacca Shimmering Skin Perfector, I'm going to put it all over my face. This is one of my favorite products to do before I put on foundation. One little dot, and I'm using G39 from Morphe. And then for foundation today, I'm using the Maybelline 24-hour foundation. I'm in the color 220. And then I'm gonna be using R6 brush from Morphe. And I'm gonna start with 2 pumps. I like to go with my sponge and pretty much press the foundation in. And I'm going in with Shape Tape in the color Light Medium Honey. I'm putting that under my eyes. Before I forget to record this part, I was already gonna start blending, and I'm like, oh, camera. Just dab it, don't swipe it. For setting powder, I will be using the DermaBlend in the original loose powder, and I'll be putting that under my eyes. You know, if you don't bake, at least we bake some kind of way. And I'm gonna put it on my sponge. Now with my Luxie 660, I'm gonna be doing a little contour, and I'm gonna be using the Give Me Sun by MAC. Remember, it's a 3. That's it. Then with Morphe M438, I'm gonna be cleaning off the baking because I've been baking for a good few minutes. Now if you hear noises, they're doing construction outside. My daughter just woke up, so she's eating, so there's gonna be noises. Excuse them. I'm gonna be using a Luxie 512 to do my blush, and I'm using Make Them Blush by Vulgar, Pretty Vulgar, and I'm gonna be putting that on my cheeks. I really like Luxie brushes, and I'm not saying this because they are in the box, but I have a lot of them and they're great brushes, and the prices are great too for good quality brushes. And then for the highlighter, I'm going to be using the Artist Couture in Summer Haze, and I'm going to try it without putting setting spray on my face, and let's see how that goes. Because if you put setting spray before you put a highlighter, it's going to pop. It's going to look Instagram highlighter, like boom in your face. But let me see how it will look without the setting spray and just kind of like dry. I like doing the setting spray. Oh, honey, I don't need no setting spray. This is, you can never do wrong. I don't know if you guys follow Angel, but I love his products. I seriously do. What I like, it has a little bit of like a pink undertone. So I'm gonna set my face with Smashbox So Chill Photo Finish Primer Water, and I'm gonna put it all over my face. This pretty much locks down the makeup. It makes it last all day. You could cry and makeup will still be on point. You're not gonna see the tears coming down. This is great, and I recommend everybody to always set your face. Why not? And then I'm gonna curl my lashes with this Tarte. And then for lashes, I'm using the same ones I used in my last videos, which are the 605 with the Kiss Adhesive Glue. Once your lash is tacky, try to put it in the middle. I'm putting in a little bit of mascara. I'm using the Better Than 6. And just pretty much getting my lashes with the falsies together. And for lips, I'm using NYX Natural Lip Liner, and this is like my fave go-to everyday lip. And I put it all over my lips. And for lip gloss, I'll be using the Steve Laurent lip gloss and Champagne, and this came in the box too. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.